In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show incomplete tasks in Microsoft Project. If you're tracking progress and want to focus only on the work that isn't finished yet, Microsoft Project's desktop app makes this easy with filtering. We'll look at two straightforward ways to show only tasks that are not 100% complete without deleting or changing your data. First, use the built-in Incomplete Tasks filter. With your project open, go to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Data group, open the Filter drop-down and choose Incomplete Tasks. Instantly, Project hides any task that's marked as 100% complete and leaves on screen only the tasks that are not finished. If you don't see incomplete tasks in the drop-down, choose More Filters. Select Incomplete Tasks from the list and click Apply. This method is quick, consistent, and great when you want a clean view of everything still in progress or not started. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can use an auto-filter on the percent complete column. First, make sure the percent complete column is visible in your current view. If it isn't, right-click any column header, choose Insert Column, and add percent complete. Next, on the View tab, turn on Auto Filter. You'll see small filter arrows appear at the top of each column. Click the arrow in the percent complete column header, uncheck 100%, and leave values less than 100% selected. Your view will now hide fully completed tasks and show only those that still require work. This approach is flexible and lets you layer additional filters if needed, while still keeping your focus on incomplete tasks. No matter which method you use, here's what happens when the filter is applied. Tasks that are 100% complete are hidden from the current view, and tasks that are not started or are still in progress remain visible. Nothing is deleted or removed from your schedule. It's simply filtered out to help you concentrate on the remaining work. When you're ready to see everything again, clear the filter by setting Filter to No Filter on the View tab, or turn off Auto Filter to restore the full task list. Use these filters when preparing status updates, planning the next sprint, or zeroing in on what needs attention before a milestone. Keeping your view focused on incomplete tasks helps you make faster decisions and communicate progress clearly. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to show incomplete tasks in Microsoft Project.